All right, so this is the inside of this house we're gonna go through. I mean, this place is crazy, it's huge. Like I said, I thought it was 2,000 square feet, including the basement. But now that I'm walking through, I mean, it is just huge. And like I said, we don't normally buy stuff off the MLS, but this one popped up, and the price wasn't too bad. But it's just such a big house that the rehab would just be ridiculous. So like right here, this is like where it just goes to like a whole other house. Like they built another house on the property and then connected the two, which is really crazy. This is like full basement down there. And then so you go through, and this is like the little connector part that this whole other house is, like over here. Boomer's gonna check it out. And then you got this whole other friggin' house back here. I mean, it just keeps going and going and going, and like really strange layout.